Welcome students. Welcome to computer science class. I'm Amitabh Ghosh from Great Mission Public School, Himadpur block. So we are in a fourth day of your chapter number 3, and I guess in the previous classes you are able to understand my lecture. So we will continue next session of your online class. So without any delay, let's dive into your online lecture. So student, we are in a fourth day of your chapter number 3, Introduction to Pivot Animator. And in today's chapter, I would be teaching you how to create an animation. This particular session is of two classes because before creating an animation, I have to show you how to create a character in Pivot Animator. So let's start. So let me minimize this screen and let me open Pivot Animator. So click on Start, scroll down in alphabetic order and you will find Pivot Animator application. So click on Pivot Animator and it will open Pivot Animator program. So double click on this area to maximize the screen. So as you can see, this particular character we call as stick figure, or in another way, if it is a human character symbol, then we call this as stickman. So I'm going to show you how to create this type of character before creating an animation. So go to File, click on Create Figure Type. So when you click on Create Figure Type, this is an editor which will guide you or allow you how to create a stick figure. As you can see, or in the previous session I have already told you that a stick figure is made up of only circle and lines. So all these shapes that you're seeing here is either in a circle format or in a line. So this is the base of the segment, and through this base we will join other circle or lines to create a character. So as I'm going to create a human character which is also known as stickman, so click on this add circle and point your circle towards this red dot. So click on it and expand this red dot like this. The more you can expand, it will expand the shape of the circle. So once you are okay with the shape, then release your mouse by left click on it. So that is it. Now I have to create the other segments of the character. In the baseline, you select the line to extend this vertebrate or the main line of the stickman and then release. In a similar manner, let me complete other segments also. Click on that red line and extend the line towards left side to create the shape of a leg. Again click on it to release. Add a line once again to complete the portion of the leg. Once you find it is okay, then release it. Now the feet portion of stickman. So let me take this feet to this size. Once again release. So this is done on the one part of the body. Now complete the other part of the body by adding line. Again select the line, click on that red segment, expand the line. Once you are sure, then release the line by clicking left on the mouse. Continue once it is done. Select the red line of red segment of the character, then again release. Now this left portion of the feet, so it is also done. So lower portion of the stickman is already done. Now we have to create hand, release it, again add the line towards right side of the character, release, and this is the last end of the stickman. So it is done. If you check it over here, this particular shape looks like the shape that you are seeing in pivot animator window, but the thing is that the shape of this is thin. In the previous class I already guided you how to increase the size using control and use alt button to rotate and edit the size of the stick figure. In a similar manner you can use these keys to adjust, shrink or expand its shape. So this is the basic structure that I showed you today. Now I have to save this stick figure as a file, so I click on file, click on save as to save the file, select the location. Let me save it in documents, so I click on this PC, I double click on document, then under document I'm going to create a file named stickman. Once you name the file, click on save and the file is saved. Now click on close. If you want to check that file how it looks like from this pivot animator window, click on file, then click on load figure type, because this is the figure we have already created. Now I save that file in my documents. So when you click on file and click on load figure type, then on left hand side click on this PC, then click on document and you will find the stickman that I have already created. Click on open. Let me delete this one once in order to remove confusion. As you know, the yellow or orange dot signifies the origin, so you have to select that portion. If you select other one, it will create a disturbance and you won't be able to place that stick figure properly. So this is the segment where you have to make this stick figure move. So tomorrow I'm going to create an animation slide for you. Today in between I will reshape this stickman to make a proper image, and tomorrow I will create a slide for you. So that is it for today. See you tomorrow, student. Goodbye for now.